Welcome back to Cyber Explorer YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to understand SQL injection using vulnerable website called Altoro Mutual with live practical demo. This video is completely beginner friendly and everything you will see here is done legally. Before we get into the video, a quick disclaimer guys. This video is created strictly for educational and ethical hacking purpose only. All demonstrations are performed on intentionally vulnerable applications such as Altera Mutual, which are designed for security training. Now we will understand what is SQL injection is. SQL injection is a web vulnerability where an attacker can interfere with database queries by injecting malicious SQL code into user input fields. That means the attacker input a malicious code into the queries so that he can able to get the access of the database. If an application does not properly handles user input, attacker can able to do these things like read sensitive data from the database, bypass the login systems from one page to another page. Who are all getting login to the database, he can able to bypass the pages, and he can able to modify the data, and and also he can able to delete the database records also. So that means the database fully under control of the hacker. SQL injection is considered one of the most critical web vulnerability. Now let's talk about Altoro Mutual. Here is the website. We'll go through this. Here is the website. This is the Altoro Mutual website. Altoro Mutual is a deliberately vulnerable banking web application commonly used for learning web application security. It is simulate a real banking environment. It will consist as the banking environment website. It makes it very useful for understanding real world vulnerabilities like SQL injection. Here we will, in the sign in section, we will see the SQL injection. We are going to do the SQL injection in this page. Here, first of all, we will give some random username like one in the past. First of all, we don't know the password and username. We will try to log into this with using normal things. It is showing error. And after that, I will give another name as okay. I will give my name as Raj. I don't have account on this, so it won't allow us to get in. Password is like something else. Yeah. Now we can see here. Login failed. Sorry, we are user. But this username was not found in our system. Please try again. Yes. Okay. Don't worry, guys. We will get into this site with using SQL injection. For that, we should know the payload. What is the format of the system? Now I'll show you the format of the section. This is the backend query of the system. Now here we should give the username something like this, and here we should give the password something like this. So with using this one only, they can able to get into the system because the system will having all the files as saved. Which file is having who are all logging into the system, who are all having the accounts on the system only, it will allows you to enter. With using the SQL injection, we can able to get into the system without using real passwords and the real username. Now I will show you how to do that. Here is the site. First of all, I am using very basic um, thing payload, that is admin hyphen. This is normal payload. In the password section, we can able to give any password, whether it is correct or not. I am giving. Uh, Don't confuse guys. After that, I will explain everything. Now I'm getting into the site. Yeah, if you get login, that was hello admin user. I was logged in as an admin user. Now here I have all the accounts list, the accounts, corporate, checking all the things. Now I can able to see the recent transactions of the two accounts, and I can able to transfer the money from one account to another account and transferring the money somewhat. And if I click enter, I can able to transfer the money like this. Just like the hacker sends the money from one account to their accounts without without their permission. Yeah, like this how SQL injection works. Got it, guys? Now I will explain how it was happened. This is the payload section. Now here we should give an account username, and after that here we should give an account password. But I am not using any password and username. I am using payloads, that is SQL injection. Here I have given it as a payload. This is a payload, famous payload. It was login directly. In the password section, we can able to give the password or not in everywhere. If you give the admin also, that will directly log in into the main system because it is an vulnerability web application. So that only we can able to get into the system. Yeah, like this the SQL injection works. That's all for today, guys. Just always remember, practice all the things only in a legal, vulnerable labs like DVWA, Juice Shop, and this type of Altoro Mutual. Using trailers in real systems causes unethical. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Cyber Explorer YouTube channel. Comment if you want advanced SQL injection attacks like Eden based and blind SQL injections. See you in the next video, guys. Stay curious, stay ethical. Thank you.
Yeah.